Well, it's the smallest hike since June, but it was what we were expecting, John. It takes the key rate to 4.25%, the highest level since 2008. That upside inflation surprise yesterday really nailed this on. Remember, the bank has had this data, we think, since Monday. But as you say, it follows the ECB, the Fed and the SNB. You might say that they're all prioritising the fight against inflation over financial stability, but really the bank's always said that it's not bothered about short-term volatility. It's focused on the long game. And also, remember, a stable inflation environment contributes to financial stability. There's no press conference later, but it's interesting, the vote split 7-2. We had expected a 6-3 split with John Cunliffe expected to join the Doves. He hasn't. It's just Silvana Tenreiro and Swati Dhingra. They've both expressed their concerns about previous jumbo hikes having yet to fully take hold because of the lag in monetary policy. Dhingra as well has said that she thinks domestically driven inflation is being overestimated. She's a trade expert. But looking at the future path for rates, they'd already removed the language about acting forcefully and downgraded it to the need for further tightening if necessary. And in terms of the inflation outlook, the bank says that inflation's now likely to fall sharply over the rest of the year, that the second quarter inflation forecast will be lower than was seen in February. So that's good news for the Prime Minister, Rishi Sunak. Of course, he's made cutting inflation his #1 priority.
So can we categorize this as a dovish hike, or is this basically a hike with a lot of uncertainty and question marks around it, and perhaps a bit more confidence in the financial system in the UK than in the US?
Well, I would read the fact that John Cunliffe hasn't joined the dissenters as showing his confidence in the financial system. Remember, he's in charge of financial stability. They have added guidance saying that they're closely monitoring credit conditions. So, yes, there is an element of uncertainty, but over recent days, the Bank of England and the UK Treasury have been at pains to stress that they're confident in the financial system. So it's as expected, but they are showing their confidence in what we have here.